Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by adding your site as a property in Google Search Console so Google can report on indexing and issues. Sign in, click Add Property, and pick domain for full coverage or URL prefix for a single protocol. You then verify ownership. DNS-TXT is best for domains because it covers all subdomains. Once done, make sure verification succeeded in the property settings, because without verification, you can't submit sitemaps or see most reports. Once verified, submit your sitemap right away to guide Google's crawlers and speed indexing of important pages. Go to Sitemaps, paste /sitemap, XML, and submit. Next, use URL inspection on key pages to see how Google fetched and rendered them. If not indexed, request indexing. Then, make sure to review coverage to fix errors and check mobile usability plus core web vitals to resolve issues that hurt rankings and user experience. You finish by configuring ongoing monitoring so problems don't slip by. Add collaborators with appropriate permissions, enable email alerts, and regularly check performance for clicks, impressions, CTR, and position trends. When coverage or enhancement reports show errors, fix the source, redirects, canonical tags, structured data, and resubmit affected URLs or sitemaps. If things go wrong, clear cache, rerun URL inspection, and check server logs and robots.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.